Welcome to AASA's Online Community, your exclusive member-only online peer-to-peer collaboration tool. Through the AASA Online Community, you can connect and network with other school leaders from around the country, discuss hot topics, ask questions, seek advice, and collaborate with your peers, and share resources, documents, and files through shared libraries. To get started, simply go to connect.aasa.org. Use the sign-in button on the top right and enter in your AASA username and password. These are the same credentials that you use to access the AASA website and member portal. Need help retrieving your login information? Use the Forgot My Password or My Username links, or contact membership@aasa.org. Once you have logged in, use the Join Community button to get started. Using the drop-down in the top right corner, you have the option to update your profile, view communities, and see your messages. First, ensure your profile is up to date. Within your profile, use the Actions drop-down to upload or change your photo. You can edit your contact details by using the pencil icon next to Contact Details. Note, these details are pulled directly from your AASA member profile, and any changes you make here will be reflected in your membership record. Next, share a little bit about yourself. Complete your bio, add education and job history, and share your interests. Use the My Account tab to update your privacy settings and determine who can view your profile and update any email preferences related to the community. Using the My Connections tab, you can build your network and connect with colleagues by adding individuals to your contacts. To search the member directory, insert any information you know about the individual you are looking for and click Find Members. Within the search results display, you can click on an individual's name to see their profile, click Send a Message to send an individual private message, or click Add as Contact to add the individual to your network. When viewing another's profile, you can also directly add them as a contact or use the drop-down menu to download their contact info or send them a private message. Once you request to add a contact to your network, they will receive an email like this one. The individual then has the opportunity to accept the request, decline the request, or send you back a message to request more information. Once you have updated your profile and begun to build your network, it's time to join some communities. Use the Communities drop-down menu to view all communities. You will see a list of available communities. Those that you are able to join will have a Join button to the right. Some communities are invitation only. For those, you will see a View Only lock icon. For communities that you are already a member of, you will see a gray member button below the community name. To enter a community, simply click the name. Now you are inside the community. The community name appears at the top. To move throughout the community, use the tabs. Here you see Discussions, Library, and Members. You will also notice that the most recent discussions are displayed on the community homepage. Further down on the homepage, you will also see the latest shared files, any recent announcements, and a listing of the current members in the community. To view, reply to, or start a discussion, use the Discussions tab. If you see a discussion that interests you, you can also click the name of that particular discussion right from the homepage. Within the Discussions area, you are able to see all community discussions. The discussion subject is displayed on the left, followed by the number of replies the discussion has and the timing and author of the last post. To view a discussion thread, click on the discussion topic. Within a discussion thread, You will see the original message displayed at the top, indicated by the number 1, followed by any subsequent replies to the discussion. To add a reply to the discussion, simply hit the reply button. Upon hitting the reply button, a text box will appear. Enter your reply in the text area. You can also add photos or videos, insert links, or upload files within your reply. Once you are happy with your reply, simply hit Post. Your reply will be posted to the discussion thread, and everyone within the community will be able to see it. If you would like to reply privately to an individual, use the drop-down arrow next to the reply button and click Reply Privately. This message will only be viewed by the individual you are sending it to and will not be posted to the discussion thread. Have a question or topic you want to discuss? Begin a new discussion thread by using the Post New Message button within the discussions area. You can also use the Add button next to the latest discussion posts on the community homepage. When creating a discussion, be sure you are posting to the correct community. You also have the option to cross-post immediately to other communities. Enter a discussion subject and then add details in the text box. Again, you can add images and video, links, or attachments within your discussion thread. Click Post to add the new discussion to the community. So you've started a discussion. How will others know it is there to reply? You can decide how to receive community notifications. Within the community homepage, click the Settings button. Here you can set your email notifications to Daily Digest, Real Time, or No Email. Daily Digest means you'll get an update each day of any new discussions or replies that have happened in the community within the past 24 hours. If there hasn't been any activity, you will not receive any email. Daily Digest is the default and recommended setting to ensure you stay connected to the community. You can also choose to receive emails in real time. This means that you'll receive an email immediately after any new discussions or replies have been posted. Finally, you can choose No Email. This means that you will have to log into the community to see any activity, and you will not receive any notifications. Here is what a Daily Digest email looks like. At the top, you'll see the name of the community. You'll also see the subject and text of any new or recent discussions. Click on the discussion subject to view the full discussion thread within the online community. Use the Reply to Group button to reply to all community members by email. Use the Reply to Sender button to reply only to the individual by email. Use the Reply to Group online to reply to the discussion thread through the online community. Another feature of the online community is the ability to share resources and documents. This is called the library. Within the library, you can see a listing of all library entries. The most recent library entries will show at the top. Click on the library entry title to view the entry in its entirety. Click on the folder icon to view entries in the folder view. Using the folder view, you can navigate within different areas of the library using the folder menu on the left. View specific resources by clicking the name of the resource on the right-hand side. Add a folder or new entry using the New icon or the Create New Library Entry button. To add a resource to the library, enter the title, use the drop-downs to ensure it's being uploaded to the correct library and folder, add a description of your resource, select a resource type, and click Next. Now, choose the resource you wish to upload. Click Next to include an additional description for your resource, or Finish to complete your upload. We hope you'll find the online community to be a valuable part of your AASA membership. Start engaging today at connect.aasa.org.